What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And in this video, I'm going to show you the first rack of ribs I smoked on my brand new Traeger Woodridge Pro. You better believe these were fall off the bone delicious. This recipe is so simple, guys. If you're like me and love barbecue, hit those buttons, like and subscribe. All right, let's start from the top. So I smoked some ribs on my brand new barbecue. I picked up a Traeger Woodridge Pro from Vintage Stove Fireplace just outside Truro, Nova Scotia. And I thought to myself, I got to run this test. I'm going to use Kendrick barbecue all-purpose and Meat Church honey hog as the two dry rubs here to just throw these on this new barbecue, guys. And I'm just liberally seasoning it. As you can see here, I'm making sure to get every side of these ribs covered. Now, you'll also notice that I didn't trim down these ribs. There's lots of fat on there. I left on the extra bones. I wanted to see what a raw rack of ribs on the Traeger Woodridge Pro would really be like. So I fired it up at 225 degrees and I just let this thing go low and slow. I even turned it on super smoke mode. Now, if you don't know what super smoke is, it's basically a mode to add extra smoky flavor into the barbecue chamber. Now, I'm someone that comes from an offset smoker, a real stick burner. So the first thing I'm going to note about this grill is that it 100% does not give off enough smoke as my offset smoker. But that's not a problem. It's just something to consider. So if you want something to be a little less smoky, this is 100% the perfect barbecue for you. And as you can see just a few moments ago on the video, I flashed the Halifax Honey Company's Stingin Hot Honey Zombie Edition. That's the glaze that I'm finishing these off with. So for this cook, I smoked these for 4 hours, low and slow at 225 degrees, then wrapped them in tinfoil with butter and some barbecue seasoning. Then I smoked them continued at 250 degrees for an extra hour. Then I unwrapped them for the last hour. So a total of 6 hours. The first 4 just straight raw smoke and getting spritzed with apple cider vinegar. From hour 4 to 5, I wrapped them in tinfoil with butter and more of the dry rub seasoning. And then from hour 5 to 6, I unwrap them like this and give them that hot honey glaze. Guys, it's simple and delicious. And the biggest thing I'm going to mention here is I hardly had to pay attention to this grill. I was really impressed with the Traeger Woodridge Pro on this one. Like, it really worked out beneficial for me. Like, so simple, so delicious, dude. So we've got these ribs. They're off the smoker. They're looking gorgeous. Let's go ahead. We're going to slice into them and give them a close inspection. Now, I'm looking specifically for a good smoke ring. I want them to still be juicy, tender, and delicious. I'm hoping that they'll fall off the bone. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, it 100% did. That glaze on there with that hot honey and mixed in with those delicious dry rubs were pure, delicious barbecue bliss. Guys, I really, really enjoyed this rack of ribs. Man, it was so just interesting moving from a stick burner over to the Woodridge. I mean, I've used pellet smokers before. I have a tailgating pellet smoker, but the chamber for pellets is so much smaller. This is such a step up. I'm really stoked about this Woodridge Pro, and you guys definitely need to keep your eyes glued to my channel. I've been focused all week on doing a number of cooks on it, and I'm hoping in the next week or two, I can have a full review of this barbecue up and launched. But for now, just check these ribs out, man. Don't they look spectacular? Like, glazed to perfection. I mean, the smoke ring could probably be a little bit thicker. I'm not complaining though. I mean, guys, still juicy, still delicious. It fell off the bone. That exterior almost like caramelized the honey on there. Like, man, oh man, I was all about this. There's that, fall off the bone again. Didn't that just look delicious? Guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I always call myself the Canadian king of backyard barbecue, but the honest answer is I'm learning along with you guys as you watch these videos. I'm always just having a good time. And if you want to see something specific, let me know in the comments below. If you liked this cook, also, just let me know. What do you think of the Woodridge Pro? Do you have one yourself? And are you enjoying it? Are there any specific cooks on it that you find unbelievably simple? Because I would love to know about them. I mean, simple recipes is the name of the game on this channel, and that's what I'm all about. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're out there barbecuing some delicious food, getting to eat it, and just enjoy your weekend. Until next time, thanks again so much for watching. Seriously, guys, don't be afraid to like and subscribe. Join my community of home cooks. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You know what's up. Thanks again.